Gizmo AI app, a super trendy right now, amazing AI app where you can turn anything into flashcards. So Quizlet, Anki, YouTube, PDF, Notes, PowerPoint, anything, you just put the link and it will create like educational studying material for you in form of these flashcards. Super cool and the easiest app to do it because there are like literally 20 apps which are doing this, and this is the best one. AI create quizzes, have fun learning with friends, and then you can just open it up. And then here you can see your streak, your progress. So basically you can then just add friends as well. So you can just tap learn. There's also different modes how you can learn. So for example, how you do it, you just create new deck. You just name it like that, whatever. Then you just magic import, and then you tap YouTube, for example, and add the link, or you tap Anki, or you add from spreadsheet, from website, notes, PDF, or camera, and then it kind of looks like this. So for example, history, I just pasted some YouTube video, and then you see this. You see these questions, and then there is hint. And that's the idea. And then you can tap to explain, and then you have gamification, you have XP points, you have preferred question style, so super advanced. And then you can tap learn step by step, or challenge play with friends, for example. Deck, you can play with friends as well, search your decks, and then just specifically enter it game like that, and then just create this link and start the game with friends. Or you can just learn yourself, select any deck, and so here you have your deck, like biology, and then just stop learning. So again, different learning modes, how you can understand all of this. And then you kind of learning this way. So different types of complexity, and that's super cool app actually. And then you have settings, invite friends. You can get 10 super hearts per invite, so feel free to use my code in here. And so that's just where you have it. And I don't know how many super hearts. So as you can see, I'm already having these hearts, probably, yes, because some people I referred some people. So here you can set it up like that. There are decks, there is school, feed, and so something like that. And that's just what you can have. You can also have decks which are public, and that's what it is.